question. Guys, so story number 3. I'm very excited about this one. You'll see why in a second, but IKEA Canada got breached.
Man.
Ultra recent. And the internal data breach discovered that IKEA Canada impacts 95,000 units.
Sorry, guys. But this guy, Arthur Gallant. Oh,
yes.
man.
So Calgary Arthur Gallant said he received an email from the retailer last week advising him his privacy had been breached and he had to assemble the ransomware. Otherwise it would not take off. So what are your thoughts about this story on IKEA?
I'm just surprised that anyone can be stunned, shocked, or speechless if their data got leaked.
I mean, they're Canadian though, so I kind of see it.
Wait, Divya, what? Am I incorrect? Did I hear you say they had to assemble the ransomware?
Yeah, that was an IKEA joke. That's just in there.
Yeah, you had to eat some meatballs first.
There's ransomware in the meatballs too.
That's right.
Meatball ransomware. How bad can it be?
Meatball.
Yeah. Oh, Arthur.
Poor Arthur.
I'm really sad to tell you about the facts and misery of life.
95,000.
Yeah, in a 3-day period.
Doesn't sound like a lot, but I mean, I guess it could be. That's what, like, that's maybe a region of Canada.
Yeah, because
I mean, it's Calgary. It's like half of Canada right there.
It's the oil patch, baby.
Yeah.
So that's like 95,000 people that all shopped at that like one IKEA, right? So okay, so this is like one store. It's not like nationwide. I mean, it's still annoying, but you know, at least it's limited to one store, right? Like the Target breach. Imagine if it was limited to only like one Target, like no one would care. But so like it's sad for those people. What is Canada? What is Canada gonna do about it?
Yeah. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it looks like it was kind of contained, but it was an exposure mistake somewhere along the line. So hopefully none of it got really far out and the damage was a bit curtailed, but still good security practices from top down. That's the lesson here.
I guess also like if you're at an IKEA and you have the option to pay cash, maybe you pay cash, right?
Yeah.
Like if you shop at IKEA, there's no reason for them to ever know your name, right? Or home address, any of that.
Yeah.
You could just be like, no, I'm gonna buy the Vlorn with extra schmuckle and here's my Canadian cash.
Yeah.
Here's my rainbow colored money.
Oh my God. You should carry it in that blue bag like they have.
I'm gonna buy a blue bag to hold my cash in.
Buy a blue bag and pay with red money.
I'm gonna move on